thicker, longer, and more beautiful hair? I'm going to show how you can get it. Do you know there's a plant that can actually grow your hair? Yes, I know that sounds crazy, but I'm going to prove it to you. My name is Rob Merby. I've helped thousands of people with their hair, from hair loss, thinning hair, to balding. And one of the ways I do that is by using a plant called Eclipta Alba. Eclipta Alba comes from India. It's a very strange looking plant. And in India, it's called the king of hairs for the very simple reason that it's helped people for generations to grow hair. And Eclipta Alba is so powerful, it was actually tested against minoxidil. And it beat minoxidil without any side effects. Minoxidil, as you may know, is the leading hair growth stimulant. The only problem with minoxidil is that it has a lot of side effects. Eclipta Alba is safe, natural, and the gains tend to stick. There are so many studies done on Eclipta Alba. These are actual studies published in medical journals by real scientists with no commercial interest. So these studies are legit. You can find the studies listed on the website below. These studies show Eclipta Alba works 3 ways to grow hair. 1, it prolongs the hair growth cycle. This means that hair can grow for a longer period of time. 2, it boosts blood flow to the scalp. This means more blood flow, more healthier growth. 3, it stimulates the hair follicles. All these points make Eclipta Alba a very, very powerful plant. So we tried to find Eclipta Alba in the right dose and the right amounts, but we could not find it in the market. So we decided to make our very own Eclipta Alba. And we found the best doctor in India into the study of Ayurveda, which is the science behind combining herbs and oils. And we made a product called Grow Hair Oil. Grow Hair Oil has Eclipta Alba in the highest potency, in the highest amounts, in the right species of Eclipta Alba, because there are several of them. It also has 16 other hair growth plants. I'm talking about plants like Hibiscus, Eclipta radix, and Amla. Amla, for instance, was shown to have 30 more times vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial for hair growth because it detoxes the scalp, allows the hair to breathe, which in turn grows. It has plants like Eclipta radix and Hibiscus. These are well-studied plants as well, all shown to grow hair. Hibiscus, for instance, was shown to grow hair by 30% in a study. And Eclipta radix was shown to be the top plant when it comes to hair growth compared to 45 other plants tested. It's also a vasodilator, which means it boosts blood flow to the hair follicles, which means more hair growth. Now, actually, this oil is very easy to use. This oil is very easy to use. Just put a little on your palms, you massage it in, and you massage your scalp. That's it. 2 to 3 minutes and you're done. And you've done all you can to feed your hair. I want you to think of this as hair food or hair fertilizer. It's much like a plant. Plants, for instance, need water, they need nutrients, and they need fertilizer. When you give to them, they grow. Grow Hair Oil is fertilizer for your hair. You use it once or twice a week, and you have done all you can externally to grow your hair. Now, these plants, as I mentioned, are very hard to come by. They are hand-picked, they're well-crafted, they're not mass-produced. So we get a very limited amount of these plants sent to North America, where we put them into the Grow Hair Oil. This means that not very many bottles are made, and these bottles fly off the shelf pretty fast. So if you're interested in trying it out, please click the link below. I want to make you comfortable and know that this comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 months. You will not find any product on the market that will give you a 2-month money-back guarantee, especially when it comes to hair care. And the reason why we do this is because we want you to take the time, we want you to experience the benefits. As you may know, hair takes time to grow, and any hair problems you're experiencing right now came about in a period of time. It didn't happen overnight. So this will optimize your hair growth. It will give you the results you want, but you have to give it time and you have to be consistent. Do not use this if you want results tomorrow. It just doesn't work that way. This works with nature, it works with your body, and it delivers the results. But it requires time and requires consistent use, like everything in life. So I encourage you to give it a try. What you're going to see when you use this oil is first, the first 2 or 3 applications, you're going to feel your hair change. It's going to feel differently. You're going to feel it more vibrant. It's going to be shiny. It's going to take on new life. And the longer you use it, you're going to see hair fall stop, and you're going to see growth as you desire. The longer you use it, the better. It's just a matter of being consistent. You shower anyways, right? So why not apply the oil to your scalp? 30 minutes before you hit the shower, that's what I do. And you're done. Once or twice a week is all you need, and your hair is going to be thriving. Now, I'm 43 years of age. A few years ago, I was in a spot where my hair was falling out. In fact, I didn't know it. I went to the stylist, and she said, "Oh, your hair is thin on the top." I was like, "Oh my God, I'm freaking out. What do I do?" And I did a lot of research, and I found that plants are one of the best, safest, and most natural way to grow your hair back. It's unbelievable what they can do. You just have to give them a try. You know, we're so used to putting chemicals on our hair and using medications, but these come with side effects and do not produce the results. I'm telling you, the herbs in this bottle here have been tested against minoxidil, and each time beat it with no side effects. So I encourage you to give it a try. Hair is your birthright. Hair is it belongs to you. There's no reason why you shouldn't have it. Do not think for 1 second it's genetics. Genetics play a very minor role. Most people's hair loss is not genetics. It's due to the way they treat their hair. It's what they eat. It's not taking care of their hair externally. You know, most men will go into the shower, just wash their hair and they're out. You have to take care of your hair like you take care of a plant. You got to feed it. You got to nourish it. And it will grow. I encourage you to give it a try. You will not be disappointed. And like I said, if you are unhappy for any reason, you have 60 days to return it. No problem at all. This should work, or you get your money back. I hope to see you on the other side.